Okay, today we're going to show you how to install the 4-track lowering bolster with Kadee pads. So this is a little bit of a process because the first step you have to do is remove the bottom of the car from the floor. You don't really have to do this, but it's just a safety precaution so you don't cut through. The next step, we're going to take our hacksaw and we're going to cut right behind the bolster, right directly against it, and start sawing. So I'm going to fast forward to the next part after I finish this. Okay, so now that we've cut through this end, we can remove the section that we don't need. This is the taller bolster, and this does not have the Kadee mounting, and you can see the difference in height. So the next step we need to do, we'll do the same thing to the other end, and then we need to remove this section here. Basically, this allows the wheels to pivot. With this being too tall, the wheels will hit. So we're going to cut this section down to the height of these ribs down here, and we're going to cut here. So I'm going to show you, we're going to cut this direction, and then we'll come back and cut this direction and remove this whole section. So I'll do that, and then we'll come back. Okay, so now we remove these two pieces that were here, cut those off. That allows for the truck to pivot. Now we can start reassembly. The first thing we're going to do is place the floor back onto the frame. Then we take our new bolster and place that over the existing studs. These ribs in the back hold the floor down, and then we can reinstall the screws. Now, of course, this would be done on your car, or you could take your car apart to do this, achieve this either way. Or you could also use power tools. Obviously, you don't need to use a handsaw if you want to use better tools like a Dremel or something else. So basically, there you have it. It's all installed now, ready for your truck and your Kadee coupler. You have two Kadee coupler positions with this mount. One that puts it in the stock Aritocraft location, and then I've added another one which shrinks it back in order for closer coupling if you have larger radius curves. And this also accommodates the #1 Kadee coupler. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.